Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the completion of the partition work and the floor ceiling at this Marine Crescent flat. Okay, so let's take a look now. Okay, so right now I'm at the main entrance. Okay, so main entrance I actually propose a drop ceiling to flush with the existing beam. Okay. Alright, there's some boxing up here. So at this far end, okay, there is this cove lighting. Right, it stretches all the way until here. It's a little bit of the cove light, and the aircon is over here. Okay, the reason why I dropped this ceiling is because I just wanted to flush with the existing ceiling, and over there would be the storage cabinet or shoe cabinet. Over here there's one more. Okay, there's one more diagonally placed shoe cabinet, and behind here is some open display. So the living will be there, right? That's the TV wall, and this is the pantry cabinet. Okay, so the couch or the sofa will be here, and over here that will be the entrance to the master bedroom. Okay, so at the master bedroom there's this opening here. Right, this is where the curved study desk is going to be. Okay, followed by a set of wardrobe here, and another set of wardrobe here. Okay, so this opening, right, basically I'm going to use is polycarbonate. Okay, polycarbonate is used for outdoor roofing, trellis. Okay, cut off the heat, but because it's flexible, it can be curved. That's the reason why I'm using that. And also it has got this very nice fluted effect, just like the ripped glass, but because ripped glass you can't curve like that. So the best option next will be to use the polycarbonate, okay, just to curve this part here. And if you can ask your contractor, right, to actually make a groove to slot in the polycarbonate, so always do a groove, okay, just to slot in. But remember, on top there's also need to have a groove. Okay, so what your contractor will do will be to slot in inside, up, and then down into the bottom groove. Okay, and then after that they will silicone the edges, right, the both sides. So if your glass is 10 mm, right, usually you have to give at least 20 mm, because you need some allowance. Okay, because when your contractor inserts the glass, it's actually slanted. Okay, when it's slanted, you need more space, right, for the glass to insert in first. Okay, so at the master bedroom, I've enlarged it. Okay, it used to be one common bedroom here, and then the living used to be another common bedroom. Okay, so the headboard will be there. Okay, very straightforward headboard with the bed, right? And I've created one entrance to the bathroom. Okay, so this is where the aircon is going to be. This is some aircon piping that is unavoidable, right, because the blowers are outside here and then one over here, so it has to go down. Okay, and this part here will be boxed up, okay, just to make it nicer. So at the entrance to the bathroom, okay, you can see that this is a shower area. Okay, shower area, this is where the shampoo niche is. It's shower mixer. Okay, and over on the left side here, this niche is actually for the vanity. Okay, there's some wiring here, so that's for the lights. And so I've demolished the dividing wall to make an entrance to the WC. Okay, so WC is here. Right, so this is the kitchen entrance to the bathroom. Okay, so at this partition wall, I carve out this partition wall just to build in the fridge. I think fridge is always the bulky item. Sometimes you don't know where to place it. If you have not enough space over here, right, try to find a space on the opposite wall and then build in the fridge inside there. Okay, so over at the kitchen side, this part here will be the washing machine. Okay, there's some boxing up here. Right, the reason is because the wall here is recessed in. You can see here, this part here is recessed in. So in order to get a more flush look, okay, and also I think of this existing gas pipe. Right, this very old HDB 3-room flat always has this gas pipe, okay, running from upstairs neighbor all the way down to the downstairs neighbor. So there's no way you can cut it off. So only way is to hide it with some box up. Okay, so all these are the backsplash wall tiles. It will continue all the way. Okay, there's a base cabinet, counter here, and then dining will be here. Okay, forgot to mention the fridge. Okay, this is the fridge space. Okay, deep enough for quite a big fridge. Okay, hi guys, it's been about a few weeks already. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what have been done. The partition work is up already. The masonry work or the tiling work has also been completed. Okay, so I'm going to show you the areas. Okay, so let's start with the entrance foyer. Okay, so this is the entrance foyer. The false ceiling has been lowered. Okay, just to flush with there's a beam across here. Okay. Then you can see that this false ceiling actually continues towards the master bedroom partition wall. Okay, and I've also curved this partition wall because this is where you'll be going towards the living area. Okay, so I think this curved wall will actually smoothen the edges a little bit better. And so all these are cove lighting. Okay, there'll be cove lighting here that shines out into the dining area, which is over here. So the table will be actually placed against this serving counter top. Okay, over on the wall, okay, other than this area here, which is there's a recess. This recess will be all covered up by a full height cabinet. Over here, I have actually flushed everything because there's some indentation on this wall. Okay, so right now it's all flush, very nice, and there's an open niche just to have some small display for my client at her dining area. Okay, so this backsplash of the kitchen cabinet has also been boxed up in a sense because I just wanted the wall at the dining and the kitchen to be flush as well. Okay, so we have opted to use this white marble green matte finish tiles, okay, as the backsplash. Take note of this older flat, they have this gas pipe, so try not to box it up permanently, okay, especially the valve here. Okay, so this valve periodically HDB will come and check. So when you have a top cabinet or the wall mount cabinet right over here, make sure that the box up inside can be removed, right, instead of asking you to remove the entire kitchen cabinet. Okay, so at the bottom, same thing. Okay, the bottom, the base cabinet will sit under the backsplash. Okay, so under that part there, also best is to have it removable. Okay, so the kitchen stretches all the way, and the washing machine is here. Okay, this is just the laundry area. Okay, supposed to be part of the kitchen. Okay, so this wall have been brought out Okay, the reason why this wall, okay, it's not a partition wall, but it's a hollow brick wall. Okay, why is it brought out is because I just wanted a space for the vanity. Okay, you need a vanity area instead of the vanity being outside the bathroom, so it's always better to have it inside. Okay, so this space will be for the vanity cabinet, and then the mirror will be over here. This is the WC, which is still remains as it is. Okay, no change. There's some tall piping here which has been boxed up, okay, with towel. And over here at the back of this box up, there's the shampoo niche. Okay, so it goes up all the way. This one, try not to box up because then there'll be something protruding out. I think it's even worse. Okay, so this one don't box up. This one also don't box up. Okay, so this is the shower area, right? There is a shower screen. Okay, over here, this is the entrance to the shower. Okay, not too bad, right? This is the max that I could go. Okay, I think the space is about 700, 750, which I think is still fine for a shower area and a small bathroom like that. Okay, so over here is where you step out into the master bedroom. Okay, so master bedroom is here. Just now I was telling you about the entrance to the master bedroom from the living side. And over here, okay, actually at the back is the fridge, right? But I think it's fine because over at this side here will be a built-in wardrobe. Okay, you will flush with this wall. Okay, a built-in wardrobe extend all the way until somewhere there, and then with a curved writing table. Okay, there's also a curved open shelving on top. Over here will be the flush door to the master bedroom, and then another set of wardrobe here. So this client has two sets of wardrobe here and there. Okay, and over at the headboard side, okay, there'll be a simple headboard, so she can lean her bed against the headboard. Okay. Okay, basically I have enlarged this master bedroom. Initially, I think it's somewhere until here. This is where the storeroom was. Okay, over here, where this was another common bedroom. Okay, so the storeroom was here in between. So hack away, make use of the space. Okay. So over at this side here is actually a pantry cabinet. Okay, followed by a low TV console. And the TV will be mounted on this partition wall.